Hey, what's going on? Benji Kaiser, and thanks for tuning in today for this episode talking about why you need to consider data analytics if you are a graphic designer. And I'm going to talk about the top 3 reasons why data analytics should concern you if you're a graphic designer. Coming at you. If you've hung around this channel long, you know that I'm a huge advocate of data analytics. I've done a full series on data jargon and how to become a data analyst or a data scientist and the differences, and I just really nerd out about this subject because I love the fact that data analytics in this day and age has allowed us as graphic designers, as creatives, to find truth in what we're doing. And this really segues into my top 3 points. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed here yet, you need to do so. I'm putting out videos 6 days per week on graphic design, on data analytics, on creativity, on motivation, and on how to maximize your potential as a creative. So hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell notifier so you don't miss out on a single video on this channel. And if you have any questions or you have some videos that you want me to put out as far as content's concerned, comment that below. Hit the like button if this video has helped you at all. And for now, let's jump into this video and why you're here. It's the top 3 reasons why you need to be concerned about data analytics as a graphic designer. Reason number 1 is truth versus style. So think about when graphic design was first getting started with publications and advertisements. It was really hard to scale if an advertisement was actually affecting the sales of that product, or people just randomly walk into the drugstore, wow, I like that razor, I'm going to buy it, I'm going to shave with it, great. Or did they see a Gillette ad in the paper and did that prompt them to go buy that razor? It was very difficult to tell, it was very difficult to scale. But now with the onset of data analytics, you can know exactly which ad is bringing you the most sales. This is the reason that data analytics is becoming very important in the graphic design industry. With the rise of data analytics, there's no more guesswork. Your designs are known as successful or not successful by the data analytics that they return. So when somebody sits down and looks at your portfolio, very soon, they're not going to just say, oh, that looks nice, or that looks good, or that doesn't look that nice. They're going to say, hey, tell me about the data on this ad here. How did this ad do? That's a very real situation that's coming soon. And if you don't understand and know how to research and dig up data, you could be missing out on the opportunity to be able to have logical, truth-oriented data for this client, for this future job opportunity. So truth versus style, they're no longer separate. They're going to be together. And having the power of knowing data and understanding how to work within data analytics will be extremely powerful for you as a graphic designer. There's a few ways you can go about this. You can just get on Facebook and look at the analytics, or you can get on YouTube like I do and go through the analytics and see which videos are, getting better ratings than others and more views and watch time. And if I change out this thumbnail, then maybe this one will get more views because it's a better designed thumbnail. There's all myriads of ways. Or you can dig in deep and begin to create your own data sets. I've been able to study a lot about data analytics lately, specifically over at Edureka. Those places are a great resource to me learning about data. And I'll put a link below if you're interested in taking courses on Edureka and really getting a solid foundation in data analytics. I foresee this as being an extremely important part of your job in the next 5 to 10 years. Because people are not only going to want to see good design, they're going to want to see design that brings results. So is data analytics important for graphic designers? I want you to comment below right now. Don't go a moment farther through this video without commenting and tell me what you think about data analytics and graphic design. And that segues me into point number 2, and that is the quality of your research. Are you going to be able to dig into data sets on your own? Just like I spoke before, you can go to Edureka and learn how to create your own data sets. You can do that with Excel, you can do that with Hadoop or Tableau or OpenRefine, or you can dig even deeper and get into things like Python or R, so you can start to create your own algorithms, which would be an extremely beneficial part of your design, because then you could say, okay, I've built this out, laid out my designs here, and this is the data that has come from this, and then when this data comes through, this automatically suggests this ad to that person, and you could just blow up a whole campaign and show people that you're not only a graphic designer, but you understand the data and the intricacies of the technology that is being implemented in this day and age. And reason number 3 is one of the most powerful reasons that I see data analytics and graphic design paralleling each other in the creative industry. And that is things like Facebook ads or Instagram ads or ads on Snapchat, or ads on YouTube, or all these different places where you're getting fed data every single time you put out an ad. So now you have no excuse in saying, well, that's a really cool looking design. Yeah, but if it's not effective, then there's no purpose in that ad being shown. Kill it, design a new ad, and run it. And within a day, you can see how effective that ad is, period. So understanding this and how to work within this and being aware of the data you are presented with every single day is extremely important. So you cannot pass up data analytics if you're a graphic designer in this day and age. And it will become more and more evident as we continue. I have no doubt about that. Well, thanks for tuning into this video today about the importance of data analytics if you're a graphic designer. I really want some discussion on this. Comment below. I'm super curious about y'all's thoughts on data analytics and graphic design and the importance of learning it and knowing how to utilize it. Comment below, hit the like button if this video has helped you at all, got your thoughts going. Also, if you're interested in learning more about data analytics, you can take a course over at Eureka. It'd be a fantastic resource to get some real strong, solid, in-depth training on the programs involved with data analytics. Again, I'm Benji Kaiser of benjikaiser.com. Check out more of the awesome content on this channel about graphic design, about data analytics, about motivation. And we'll see you here 6 days a week. But for now, check you later on the next episode.